Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for regularly visiting my channels and thanks to all my subscribers. Today we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis in Euro USD currency pairs. We are going to analyze weekly chart and determine on the overall direction of the current market and where are all the resistance and support areas. Then finally go down to hourly time frame and understand the present price action and then mark the trading ranges for coming week. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram channel for our subscribers where we discuss about possible trading opportunities and clarify queries on trading ideas. You can use the link placed in the description section for joining our Telegram group. Let us start with the analysis. I am in weekly time frame now. So overall, when we look at the weekly time frame, we can notice that it was in a very nice downtrend and presently it has given breakout from the downtrend and started testing this previous resistance over here. And also it has formed a very nice double top pattern. Then it has also tested this bottommost support level over here. And we have a strong resistance which is still holding and we have a support level which is still holding. And overall when we notice it, the present price action is forming into a very nice triangle pattern. And trading ranges are becoming narrower. And when we look at the past price actions, here also we can notice that it has formed a very nice triangle pattern first. Then we had a downtrend starting. Presently also it is forming a very nice triangle pattern. So we can expect a downtrend to continue from looking at the current price action. But one information we have from the present price action is it has broken this dynamic resistance or support line which was actually holding the market on the downside. But another information we have is it has not broken this resistance level over here. And current trend is also retracing, or we can say it is a range bound market for now. There is no direction. It has not formed a new high or new low. So we can expect the current market to trend down and break this support line and start its downside trend. So to actually start its downside trend, it has to break this dynamic support over here. Then only we can confirm that downside trend has started. Presently it is a range bound market. It doesn't have bullish trend or bearish trend to break on the either side. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. In hourly time frame also we can notice that it is in a downtrend, but it is stuck within this range over here. It couldn't break the upside resistance or it couldn't break the downside support also. It is a range bound market in hourly time frame also. Inside the hourly time frame also we can notice that it has formed a very nice uptrend, then broke this dynamic support, then downtrend started. As long as these support levels are holding and the resistance levels are holding, we can expect the range bound market to continue. But when we look at it overall from weekly time frame or from the hourly time frame, the overall trend is on a downside. So we can expect the market to break on the downside and start its downside trend. Let us mark the trading ranges for Monday. Since we know that overall market is in a bearish trend, we will mark the ranges on the bearish side. This is going to be the bottommost support. Next level of support is going to be here. Next support is going to be over here. And next support is actually present support level. And this is going to be the resistance. And if the market keeps on trading within this range, we can expect it to retrace again to this level over here. And again test this uppermost resistance also. Let's see how price action goes on Monday, based on which update you with the new trading ranges on Tuesday. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share it with your friends.